But now let's say, for example, we see that, and this is just an example, you're too close to the right. Get a little bit closer to the center. Good. We see that, for example, that there's a car, but it's far back, and it's maintaining its speed. Can we move in?
Yes.
And while my question showed us that we had time and space, the answer is still no. And why do you think it's no?
You said it's maintaining its speed and distance.
It's maintaining, so it's far back and it's maintaining it's maintaining its speed. Yes.
So if it's far back, it's far back, maintaining its speed.
I can give you a hint if you need a hint.
Yeah, I might need a hint.
All right. So the mirror cannot show us everything. There is still a space which we cannot see.